It's toast time, boys. Let's get this toast. Do you ever just like wonder what toaster we should buy? Wait, why do they put so little cream cheese on their bagels? I'm really confused. Do you not just like slap cream cheese all over it? Like I put like a whole thing of cream cheese on it. Alright, well anyway, this is like pretty cheap looking toaster. What is that, $8.88? That does not look like that. Like, also, again with putting like very bare minimum amounts of things on your toast. Does it come with toast? Maybe it's underneath. NANI?! Alright, you ready to go? Let's get this toast. I'm gonna get a, ooh, that's a tough one. I'm gonna get a Culver's Double Deluxe with Wisconsin cheese curds.
What would you like to drink?
Do you have Diet Dr. Pepper?
No, we do not.
Dang. Alright, I'll just get some water.
That's such a waste.
Yeah, Mitch, what do you want?
Give me a second.
Dude, don't look at my password, God! Hey, if any of you guys want to send me money, my routing number is 12345678. Well, we're having a wonderful night now. Okay, here's that. My Mountain Dew. I didn't order. You ordered a Mountain Dew. Oh, water. Okay, do you want the water or the Mountain Dew?
Mountain Dew.
For it.
Oh. Here, wait. Put this in your window.
Sir. Wisconsin cheese curds. Cheesy.
How do we feel about the water?
Haven't gotten there yet. I'm liking the whole atmosphere to begin with. The ladies who work there were great. I love the scenery. Well, considering we got the thingy from the lady who wanted to, and then yeah, I like the tangy sauce. I like how they use purple onions. They're much better than white onions. I wish more people used purple onions.
What was that?
Where are we?
I don't know.
We literally just drove out to the middle of the state because we were bored. What brand ketchup is this? Dip and squeeze. I'm liking it. I give this burger an 8 out of 10. Oh, the last cheese curd.
No. Bro, I think he wants to race. Bro, he wants to race. The Pontiac Grand Am, the fastest of all sports cars. They looked at you, it's a race now. Just don't stall. Just don't look like an actual retard. Get ready.
I think they're looking at this.
The stupid
That's our window sticker.
food holder thing.
Next week, like, comment, and subscribe. We'll do a food review. At Walmart, McDonald's.